Hello student. Now we are going to discuss about field components in parallel plane waveguide. It is very important topic. And what are the field components in parallel plane waveguides? So what is parallel plane waveguides? So this is a parallel plane and the wave is restricted along x direction, and this is propagation direction. This is a source of feed. The signal will travel in that direction and it will reflect back and hit here, and it is going to move in this direction and it will hit here and it will reflect back like this. But the signal is moving, reflecting back, moving, reflecting back, but it is moving along which direction? Along z direction, that is propagation direction. And these are the two parallel plates and these are having infinity length along y direction, and here the wave is restricted along x direction because the wave is getting touching here, reflecting back, touching here, reflecting back. Okay, so these are the two parallel plates and this is reflecting in between the two parallel plates. That is, it is restricted to travel from 0, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a only. Okay, so this is a parallel plane waveguide and this is a EM wave propagation. And what are the field components? Here I am saying the field components are Ex, Ey, Hx, Hy. And why we are not considering Ez, Hz? Because the wave is propagating along z direction and the electric field and magnetic field, two fields are existing and two coordinates we have to consider x and y direction. Along x direction it is moving and it is restricted in between 0 to a, but there is no restriction for the electromagnetic wave along y direction. Okay, because along y direction we are having the infinity length of plates. Okay, so here it is x direction and here it is z direction. Y direction is like this, that is out of the board. Okay, so like this it is having infinity length, two parallel plates. Okay, so I will have the electric field components along x and y direction and I will have the electric field components along x and magnetic field components along x and y direction. Okay, so here we have to consider right hand thumb rule. So this is, if I consider this is electric field direction and the magnetic field is out of the board like this. Okay, you have to consider right hand thumb rule. Okay, right hand thumb rule. Like this we have to consider. Electric field is in this direction. Okay, like this. Electric field is along in this direction, magnetic field is out of the board and the propagation is along z direction. Like this. Or you can consider. Okay, so it is moving. If it is hitting, the wave propagation shifted. It is moving upside, next it is moving downside, next upside, downside. Okay, so If they are hitting, the electric field magnetic field components will change along x and y directions. So like that we will have electric field components along x and y direction, magnetic field component along x and y direction. So now we are going to see the derivation for Ex, Ey, Hx, Hy. We have to consider Maxwell's equations, Maxwell's curl equations and wave equations. What is curl equations? Already we did the prerequisites part 1, 2, 3, 4. Just go through the prerequisites parts. Del cross E is equals to minus j omega mu h, and del cross h is equal to sigma plus j omega epsilon into E. Okay, so consider this as equation 1. And here I am considering sigma is equal to 0. Sigma is equal to 0 means conductivity. Conductivity equal to 0 because there is no conductor. Two parallel plates, in between the space is nothing but a free space, no conductors. So that's why conductivity equal to 0. That is nothing but del cross H will be equals to j omega epsilon into E. Now consider this as equation 2. Now consider wave equations. What are the wave equations? We know del square H and del square E. Del square H is equal to gamma square H. Del square E is equal to gamma square E. Okay. What is gamma for free space? Actually, what is gamma? Uniform plane wave. J omega mu j omega epsilon. So sigma equal to 0. So gamma is equal to j square omega square mu epsilon. Okay. So gamma square is equal to j square omega square mu epsilon. So it is nothing but minus omega square mu epsilon. Okay, I am substituting this in this equation. So del square H is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon H. Del square E is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon E. Okay. Consider these as equation 3 and 4. So these are the base equations we already know. Maxwell's curl equations and wave equations. Okay. Now from equation 1, what is equation 1? Del cross E is equal to minus j omega mu h. Now apply curl for this electric field intensity. How to apply curl? Apply curl for equation 1. Similarly, we have to go for curl for equation 2. Okay. So for equation 1, simultaneously we will do here application of curl for equation 1 and here apply curl for equation 2. Okay. What is equation 1? Del cross E is equal to minus j omega mu h. Okay. How to apply curl? Del cross E is equal to minus j omega mu h. Here del cross h is equal to j omega epsilon E. Okay. How to apply curl? Ax, Ay, Az. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Here Ex, Ey, Ez is equals to minus j omega mu into Hx Ax, Hy Ay, Hz Az. Similarly, Ax, Ay, Az, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, Hx, Hy, Hz is equal to j omega epsilon into Ex Ax, Ey Ay, Ez Az. Now apply del, left hand side. So here Ax into, if I take this one, you have to consider these two. Dou y of Ez minus dou z of Ey. Next minus Ay you have to consider between term. If I consider this one, dou x of Ez minus dou z of Ex. Okay, next consider Az plus Az only. If I consider this one, dou x of Ey minus dou y of Ex is equal to right hand side term. Okay, so now j omega mu into hx Ax, hy Ay, hz Az. Okay, so now just I am comparing these Ax terms, next Ay terms and Az terms. I am writing separately. Okay, so if I consider Ax, here dou y Ez minus dou z Ey is equal to, here I will get minus j omega mu hx. Okay, similarly minus I am having, and here also minus. Okay, or you just write down this one here, this one here, that is dou z Ex minus dou x Ez is equal to Ay term minus j omega mu hy. Okay, similarly what is the third Az term? Dou x Ey minus dou y Ex is equal to minus j omega mu into hz. Okay, so from these three equations, similarly you have to write the equations for del cross H also. So later I will do. First I will simplify these three equations. So how to simplify these three equations means, here I will substitute dou y is equal to 0, because we know that the field along y direction is constant, because the field along x direction is restricted, but along y direction is not restricted. It is not restricted means the field along the y direction is constant. For the constant, if we do the derivation, we will get 0. So we have to substitute dou y equal to 0 in above these three equations, right? So if I substitute dou y equal to 0, this first term will be 0. Okay, and next this term will be 0. I will get dou z of Ey is equal to j omega mu hx, because minus minus will get cancelled, and dou z Ex minus dou x Ez is equal to minus j omega mu hy. Next this term will be 0, because dou y 0. So dou z Ex is equal to minus j omega mu hz. Okay, now consider these equations are 5, 6, 7. Okay, so till now we did del cross E curl application. Now do the del cross H curl application, this one. Okay, so if I do Ax, I will get dou by dou y hz minus dou by dou z hy is equal to, I am directly writing Ax term, j omega epsilon Ex. Next, minus Ay, right? Minus Ay is equal to dou by dou x hz minus dou by dou z hx is equal to j omega epsilon Ey. Because it is minus Ay, I am writing here minus. Next, third one, for Az we have to apply. So dou by dou x hy minus dou by dou y hx is equal to j omega epsilon Ez. Okay, now apply dou by dou y equal to 0 in above three equations. So I will get this term, these two will be 0. So I will get minus dou by dou z hy is equal to j omega epsilon Ex. Next, dou by dou x hz minus dou by dou z hx is equal to minus j omega epsilon Ey. Next, dou by dou x hy, this one 0 is equal to j omega epsilon Ez. Now consider this as 8, 9 and 10 equations. Okay, so we have applied dou by dou y equal to 0 only for curl expressions. We also considered in the starting, we also considered wave equations. Okay, so what are the wave equations? Wave equations, del square h is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon h, del square E is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon E, and you have to expand this del. Okay, del is nothing but dou by dou x square hx, dou by dou y square hy, we should not consider here the suffixes, plus dou square hy dou z square is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon h, and here similarly for E, dou square E by dou x square, dou square E by dou y square and dou square E by dou z square is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon E. Okay, so here also you have to substitute dou by dou y equal to 0, because field along y direction is constant, Okay, after substitution of these two equal to 0, I will get two terms on the left hand side. Okay, so what are those two terms? Dou square h by dou x square plus dou square h by dou z square equal to minus omega square mu epsilon h. So I will write dou square h by dou x square this as gamma square h is equal to minus mu square omega square. Similarly, dou square E by dou x square plus gamma square E is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon E. So what I did here, I have replaced dou square h by dou z square as gamma square h. So how we got this? This is in free space, this is a wave equation. That is del square E is equal to gamma square E, del square H is equal to gamma square H. Del is nothing but dou by dou Z for uniform plane waves. So here just I have substituted dou square E by dou Z square is nothing but gamma square E. Dou square H by dou Z square is equal to gamma square H. Only the second term will change. Okay. Now, if I consider expression 5, okay, next derivation continued, you have to consider expression 5, that is dou by dou Z into Ey. Dou by dou Z into Ey is equal to j omega mu Hx okay. So general expression for EM wave. Electromagnetic wave is represented by considering the harmonic wave, that is exponential terms. We have to consider harmonics. Harmonic means every electromagnetic wave, E to M, M to electric field to magnetic field, and magnetic field to electric field. These transformations can be done. Means this wave, from this electric field I am getting magnetic field. From the magnetic field again I am getting the electric field. And next from this electric field I am getting the magnetic field. So these E to H transformations can be done, or this electromagnetic wave is nothing but a harmonic wave. Harmonic example is nothing but exponential term. And what is this gamma? Gamma is nothing but it is always representing how the wave is attenuation and how the wave is having the different phase shifts. So this E is equal to E naught into e power j omega t into e power minus gamma z. If I write dou E by dou Z, means you have to do the differentiation with respect to Z. So I will get E naught into e power j omega t into e power minus gamma z into I will get minus gamma. Okay. So I will have minus gamma into this total term can be written as E. So dou E by dou Z can be written as minus gamma E. Similarly, dou H by dou Z can be written as minus gamma H. And these two equations you have to substitute in expressions, that is 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10. So from 5, dou by dou Z of Ey can be written as gamma E. Okay, so write down dou E by dou Z, and here I am having the suffix y. I will get the suffix y here. Okay, so minus gamma Ey is equals to j omega mu Hx. Similarly, dou by dou Z of E having suffix x, so minus gamma Ex minus dou by dou x Ez is equal to minus j omega mu Hy. Similarly, dou by dou Z of Ex, so you have to take the suffix x. So here minus gamma Ex is equals to minus j omega mu Hz. Okay. Similarly substitute and consider this as equation 11, 12, 13. Similarly substitute dou h by dou z is equal to minus gamma h in expressions 8, 9, 10. So here I got the expressions 8, 9, 10. So these are the expressions 8, 9, 10. Okay. So substitute dou h by dou z. See, in equation 7, this is not dou by dou z, this is dou by dou x. If it is dou by dou x, in equation 13, we'll get dou by dou x of ex only. Okay. Now substitute dou h by dou z is equal to minus gamma h. So here minus dou by dou z. Dou by dou z of hy. So this dou by dou z of hy can be written as gamma hy, because already instead of dou by dou h by dou z is nothing but minus gamma h. We have to substitute. Already we are having minus here, and if you here also minus will become plus. So gamma hy is equal to j omega epsilon ex. Next dou by dou x of hz, dou by dou x of hz minus dou by dou z of h having suffix x minus, and this minus will become plus. Okay, gamma hx is equal to minus j omega epsilon ey. So dou by dou x hy is equal to j omega epsilon ez. Consider this as 14, 15, 16. Okay. So by considering 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, we are going to get the final expressions, field components expressions ex, ey, hx, hy. How means, here from 11 consider the expression for ey. So here ey is equals to j omega mu by j omega mu hx by gamma minus of. Now substitute this ey in equation 15. Okay, substitute in equation 15. If I substitute in equation 15, dou by dou x hz plus gamma hx is equal to minus will become plus, and j omega epsilon into j omega mu into hx by gamma. Okay, so here gamma, take out this gamma left hand side, so gamma square hx plus gamma square hx plus gamma into dou hz by dou x is equal to j square means minus omega square mu epsilon hx. Okay, so here gamma into dou hz by dou x is equal to, it will become minus, and take out minus hx common, I will get gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon. From this I will get hx is equal to minus gamma by gamma x square into dou hz by dou x. So here what is gamma x square? This is nothing but gamma x square. Gamma x square is equal to gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon. So this is a expression for hx. Similarly, you have to consider hy from the equation 14 and substitute this hy in equation 12. Okay. So consider this as equation 17. This is hx. Already I got hx, one component. Now consider hy. Hy is equal to j omega epsilon ex divided by gamma. Substitute hy in equation 12. Substitute hy in 12. So I will get minus gamma ex minus dou by dou x ez is equal to minus j omega mu into hy is nothing but j omega epsilon ex by gamma. Take out gamma left hand side, minus gamma square ex minus gamma dou by dou x ez is equal to j square minus 1, and that minus this minus will get cancelled, omega square mu epsilon e x. Now bring this side and take this right hand side. So minus gamma square ex minus omega square mu epsilon ex is equal to gamma into dou by dou x ez. So take minus ex common. I will get gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon is equal to gamma into dou by dou x ez. So from here ex is equal to, consider this as gamma x square. So minus gamma by gamma x square into dou by dou x of ez. So this is the expression for ex. Okay. Now to get ey hy, what you have to do? Consider this expression, this one, equation 13, and write down expression for hz. Okay. Consider equation 13